In this video, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Gamma app quickly and easily. If you're working on a presentation, document, or any other project in Gamma, knowing how to format your text can make your content look cleaner, more organized, and more professional. Underlining is a simple but powerful way to emphasize important words or phrases, and in just a moment, I'll walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside Gamma, open the project where you want to edit the text. This could be an existing presentation, a new page, or any document you're currently working on. The important thing is to get to the exact place where the text you want to format is located. Next, click inside the text block. Gamma uses editable blocks, so you need to place your cursor directly in the section you want to change. After that, select the text you want to underline. You can highlight a single word, a full sentence, or even a few words depending on what you want to emphasize. Take your time here and make sure the correct text is selected before applying any formatting. Once your text is highlighted, look for the formatting toolbar. This toolbar usually appears when you select text, and it contains options like bold, italic, and other text styles. Find the underline option in that toolbar. In most cases, it will be clearly labeled or represented by an underline icon. When you see it, simply click it to apply the underline style. As soon as you click the underline button, the selected text will now appear underlined in Gamma. That's it. The formatting change happens instantly, so you can immediately see the result on your page. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other words or phrases in the same project. Just select the text, open the toolbar, and click Underline again. This is especially useful if you want to make headings stand out, draw attention to key ideas, or create a more polished layout in your content. Gamma makes the process very simple, so even if you're new to the platform, you should be able to follow along without any trouble. If for some reason you don't see the underline option right away, double check that you've actually selected text inside an editable block. In Gamma, formatting tools usually appear only after text is highlighted, so if the toolbar doesn't show up, click back into the text area and try selecting the text again. And that's how you underline text in Gamma app. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how your content looks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.